to how diffusion relates to the product life cycle. The product life cycle is tied to the phenomenon of diffusion of innovation. When a new product comes out, it is likely to first be adopted by consumers who are more innovative than others. They are willing to pay premium price for the new product and seek a risk and a proven technology. Fad, a successful innovation that has a very short product life cycle. Example of fad includes hula hoop, Rubik's Cube, and yo-yo. Fashion, a successful innovation that has a moderately long and potentially cyclical product life cycle. Example is your typical look, size, or set of apparel. Classic, a successful innovation that has a lengthy product life cycle. Example is house or art. Next topic is the characteristics that can influence an adoption, resistance, and diffusion. Characteristics of the innovation that can affect resistance, adoption, and diffusion include perceived value, benefits, and costs. Perceived value. Products with high perceived value may be more readily adopted than those with low perceived value. Perceived benefits. Something new offers a relative advantage if it can help consumers avoid risks, fulfill their needs, solve problems, or achieve their goals. Criteria that can affect consumers' adoption decisions. For example, hybrid cars such as Toyota Prius lies not in their features but rather in the owner's ability to save money on gasoline and help save the environment, because hybrid cars combines at least one electric motor and a gasoline engine to move the car. And the last is perceived cost. The higher the purchase cost, the greater the resistance, and hence the slower the diffusion. Consider hybrid gas electric cars like the Prius, which tend to have a higher initial cost than comparable conventional cars do. And our last topic is characteristics of the social system, and we have 4 characteristics: modernity, homophily, physical distance, and opinion leadership. First characteristics is modernity. Consumers in modern systems value science, technology, and education, and are technologically oriented in terms of the goods and produced at the scale of labor force. Second is homophily. Overall similarity among members of the system affects acceptance. Diffusion is generally faster when consumers in the market are highly similar in education, values, needs, income, and other dimensions. Next is physical distance. Diffusion tends to be slower when members of the social system are spread apart. And the last one is opinion leadership. People with credibility such as experts or opinion leaders can have considerable influence on product adoption and diffusion because they may spread positive or negative product information to others. Like this one, she gives reviews on the product and recommendations. And that's all.